Hey, are you tired of throwing money at ads and getting nothing? Or maybe just scraps? Listen up. Most advertisers treat running ads like throwing darts in the dark. They set something up, cross their fingers, and hope for the best. That's lazy. And more importantly, that's expensive. The real game, it's using data. Not just looking at your dashboard once a week. I'm talking about baking data into everything you do, from setup to scaling. I'm Stefan, owner of Unlimited Agency and co-founder of Diggity Media. We've spent over $10 million on Meta and Google ads for clients, and we've seen what works and, well, more importantly, why it works. And it all comes back to data. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm showing you exactly how we use data, the right one, to build ad campaigns that don't just spend money. They make it. So stick around, because if you apply even half of this, you'll crush your competition who are still guessing. All right, so the first thing is to build your data foundation, or your ads are built on sand. Now, most people underestimate this. They rush past tracking. Big mistake. If your data isn't accurate, Meta and Google can't optimize properly, and you can't make informed decisions. For Meta ads, you need a Meta pixel set up correctly. But with all the privacy stuff happening, the pixel isn't enough anymore. You absolutely need the Conversions API. This sends data directly from your server to Meta, giving you a much clearer picture of what's actually happening after someone clicks your ad. If you're doing lead generation, this is even more critical. You need to feed offline conversion data, like who actually became a paying customer from a lead, back into Meta. Why? Because Meta can then optimize for conversion leads, not just leads. Getting 100 leads is useless if none of them buy. Look, Meta's tracking isn't perfect anymore. For serious advertisers spending over $20,000 a month, a third-party tracking tool is a must. It provides a much more accurate view of where your sales and leads are really coming from. We've seen campaigns that Meta reports as barely breaking even, but in reality they're generating 4x ROAS or more. Ignoring that data means you shut off winning campaigns. You need accurate data to know what's actually working. So the next thing you need to understand is data powers creative wins. Once you have reliable data flowing in, you can really start to use it. One of the most impactful areas is ad creative. The quality of your ad creative is extremely important, perhaps even more so than targeting nowadays. Data tells you which creative is performing. And while testing is valuable and something all advertisers should be doing, it's not the only way to learn, nor the fastest. You can also model successful ads from others. But when you are testing, data from your key performance indicators like cost per conversion or return on ad spend is your guide. It's not just about how long an ad has run. It's the conversion volume it has generated that indicates if it's working. Now, data allows for much more effective creative testing. Don't just stop at testing headlines or primary text variations, although adding multiple variations is easy and recommended. The data shows the biggest wins come from testing different ad formats like single image or video or carousel, slideshow, or even animations. It helps you to understand which format resonates best with your audience for a specific offer. Look, we worked with businesses where image ads significantly outperformed video for certain simple offers. Information from past performance, competition analysis, and even customer reviews can provide ideas for new creative angles to test. Now, data is also key to recognizing ad fatigue. When performance starts to drop because your audience has seen the ad too many times, this signals the need for fresh creative. And here's another thing. Data helps create the right audience and retargeting strategy. Meta's AI is smart. With Advantage Plus campaigns, it handles a lot of the targeting, but data is still crucial here. You can define engaged audiences like video viewers, page engagers, and existing customers based on your data. Meta then reports how much budget is spent on cold, warm, and existing customers. And this helps you understand your audience segments. For retargeting, you use information from your custom audiences, website visitors, email lists, and engagers. It tells you who these warm audiences are. And because their data is different from cold audiences, you can use different messaging. We tailor ad creative and copy for warm audiences based on the fact they already know us. So you can say, "Why haven't you hired us yet?" to someone who's never heard of you. Data lets you personalize. And finally, you can't optimize and scale without data. Your ad is live. So now what? It's data. It's always data. You need to regularly review your performance data. Look at your cost per purchase, return on the ad spend, click-through rates. The metrics are clues. If click-through rate is low, maybe the creative or headline isn't compelling. If it's high, but conversions are low, maybe the offer or landing page is the problem. Data points you in the right direction. In Google Ads, information from your search term report shows you exactly what people searched for when they clicked on your ad. Use that information to find new keywords or negative keywords. It also guides you through bidding strategy. You need to tell Google what conversion event is most important based on your business data. It tells you if a campaign or ad set is crushing its goals. Use the data to justify scaling. Duplicate it. Increase the budget. Don't guess. Scale based on proven performance. Look, running ads effectively nowadays isn't about luck or secret hacks. It's about being disciplined and using the data available to you. From setting up accurate tracking to finding winning creatives and understanding your audience, data is your roadmap to profitability. So start using data to build campaigns that actually win. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and I will create more content like this one. I'm Stefan, and I will see you in the next one.